Hello everyone, welcome to the Hotel Laundry Management Module demonstration. In this video, we will see how the staff can manage guest laundry service, track laundry order, generate invoice, and collect payment seamlessly from within the hotel management system. Let's begin. First, activate the hotel laundry management module. Then go to the settings, click on user and companies menu, click on user, open Mitchell admin user and click on administrator. Then go to the hotel management module, the laundry menu. Additionally, a laundry details section is added under the configuration menu, laundry details and laundry type and cloth type, both model available. Open the configuration and click on the laundry types. Create a new laundry record, add a laundry type name and charge per item. Add a default tax and then save. Then go to the configuration and click on the cloth type model. Click on new button, add a cloth type name, add a category, cloth category and cloth weight. Then click on save. Those configuration help standardize laundry service management. Then go to the laundry, click on new. First create a reservation, open reservation, create new reservation. Select guest, select stay duration and then click on assign rooms button. Select room and click on assign room button. Then click on confirm button. Go to the laundry and create a laundry order. Select booking reference. Still booking reference is not visible. Again go to the reservation and click on check-in. Then go to the laundry and create a laundry order. Select booking reference. Customer is a automatic added. Then assign this laundry order. Select service line, dry cleaning, item bed sheet and pen. Total charges is 276 rupees. Save and confirm. After entering all details, click confirm. Once confirmed, the laundry order become a link to the guest reservation booking automatically. So go to the reservation and open reservation. In the laundry smart button, laundry record visible, and in the folio tab also laundry record visible. This integration ensures that the all guest service charges are tracking in a single booking. Then click on the checkout button. When the guest is ready to check out, click the final bill button. Click on final bill. Click on create draft button. A draft invoice is generated automatically. In the invoice line section, all laundry service charges are included along with the other booking related charges. In the invoice, laundry charges, review the invoice detail and click confirm to post invoice. After the invoice is posted, click on pay button. Then click on create button. Once the payment is completed successfully, the reservation will display full payment paid status. Go to the reservation and full payment paid status is visible. This indicates that all guest charges including laundry service have been full settled. This completes the hotel laundry management module demonstration. Using this module, hotel staff can efficiently configure laundry service, manage laundry order, link laundry service with reservation, automatically include laundry charges in guest billing, generate invoice and collect payment. The, the integration between laundry management and hotel reservation helps ensure accurate billing and improve operation efficiency. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.